Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, so be very careful with this. They brought us a Volkswagen Golf to the workshop. This was not our client, the brother was, and that's why he told him to come see us. This car was driving on the highway, and suddenly, it ran out of traction. He parked it to one side, on the shoulder. He called a tow truck and his brother told him to come to us. Brought it to our workshop, so that we could look at it, to see what had happened, because a little over a year ago they repaired the gearbox of this car, and they made 3 mistakes. I'm going to show you. There you can see the box gearbox. It's painted. It looks like they've done some kind of repair. But of course they mounted the left drive shaft wrong. There you can see the left drive shaft. It's loose. You can see all the grease it's thrown away. It's completely loose. I'm going to name the 3 mistakes they made. First, the screws or bolts are not broken, they have all come loose. This usually happens because they use the same bolts. When the bearings are changed, it is convenient to put new bolts. Second error, they did not respect the torque of Titan. When using used bolts, if you use the tightening torque, they can break. That's why new bolts are always put in. And thirdly, they did not put glue, knurl or any other adhesive, so that those bolts do not move, because with the vibrations, they can come out. And this can be seen in all cars. It can happen in any car, but above all in VAG group vehicles it is where it is most seen. I made a video recently. I will leave you the link, so you can see. In another car, something similar had happened. In that one it was the right drive shaft, and all the bolts had broken there. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.